Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to sell digital products on Shopify in 2024 with an easy step-by-step tutorial. This method is simple and efficient, and all it takes is downloading one app to get started. Now, let's get into the tutorial. First things first, if you don't already have a Shopify account. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in. Once you're on your Shopify dashboard, find the search bar at the top and click on Apps. In the search bar, type Digital Downloads and hit Enter. Look for the app with the neon green background and click on it. Click Install to add the Digital Downloads app to your store. This will take you to a new page where you need to click Install App in the top right corner. Now that the app is installed, it will take you to your products list. Here, you can choose which product you want to add a digital file to. For this tutorial, I'm going to use this digital buds. As an example, click on the product, then look for the Add Digital Files button. Click on it, and a window will pop up allowing you to upload your file. Find the file on your computer and upload it. One important step is to configure your fulfillment settings. Click on the fulfillment gear icon and make sure the fulfillment type is set to automatically send files. This ensures that your customers receive their download link immediately after purchase. You can also set a download limit if you want to control how many times a customer can download the file. Adjust this setting as needed, then apply and save your changes. Now, let's check out our product on the website. Go back to your product page and click on View in Admin. Then click Preview. Voila! Here is our digital product. Customers can purchase it just like they would a physical product. They simply click Buy Now, enter their details, and they will receive a download link once the purchase is complete. And that's it. You've successfully set up a digital product on Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to keep the lights on over here. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next video.